So this is a flex screen. These come out pretty easily. Usually the side will flex like so. So you just take it, flex it. These things can bend pretty easily. What you want to do is just pinch and remove. Same thing to install. Pin it back, bend in the middle. Usually has warning signs on the bottom, so you know how to put it in. Faces the window, flex it in the middle. Flex screens, find your place, your track. Gets right in. It's very tense, but that's how they stay in. Cleaning them, I would probably take a pressure washer to them. Same thing, squeeze, squeeze, slap them back in. Last one, squeeze, squeeze. Find them in the tracks. Boom.